In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons. Windows 10 and 11. We'll do this with a quick change in the Windows registry and a simple restart of Windows Explorer, so here is no extra software involved. Follow along carefully, and you'll have clean arrow-free shortcut icons in just a few moments. Start by opening the Registry Editor. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type Registry Editor and press Enter. If Windows asks for permission, go ahead and confirm. This opens the Registry Editor, which is a system database that controls many Windows settings. Because it's powerful, make only the exact changes we cover here. In the left pane, navigate through the folders in this order. Key Local Machine, then click Software. Then click Microsoft, then click Windows, then click Current Version. Once you are there, click on the Explorer folder to select it. If any of these folders are collapsed, just click the small arrow next to them to expand the list. Now create a place for the custom icon setting. Right-click the Explorer folder, choose New, then Key, and name the new key shell icons. Type it exactly as shown. After creating shell icons, make sure it's selected. Next, we'll create a string value inside shell icons. In the right pane, right-click an empty space, choose New, then String Value, and name it 29. This specific name tells Windows we're targeting the shortcut arrow overlay. Modify that new value. Double-click 29 to open it. And paste the value data you are using to remove the shortcut arrow into the value data field. Take care to paste only the exact data and avoid any extra spaces at the beginning or end. When you are done, click OK and close the Registry Editor. To apply the change, restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer, right-click it and choose Restart. Your taskbar may briefly disappear and return. When the desktop refreshes, your shortcut icons should no longer show the arrow overlay. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner desktop.